Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling the Wi-Fi adapter and verifying internet access. This is essential because the hotspot shares that connection. Once done, open Settings, go to Network and Internet, then Mobile Hotspot. Select the source network you want to share, usually Wi-Fi, and toggle Mobile Hotspot on. You're starting the service now, so make sure you name the network and set a strong password. This prevents unauthorized access and keeps your devices secure. Now configure how you share and who connects. Set a clear SSID and a strong WPA2 password so devices can join securely. This matters because open hotspots are risky. Choose whether you're sharing over Wi-Fi or Ethernet depending on the internet source. Next, allow other devices to connect and monitor the connected device list in Settings so you can spot unauthorized clients. If you need to change band or advanced options, use Device Manager or Adapter Properties to adjust performance. Finish by testing. Connect a phone or tablet to your new hotspot and confirm internet access. This proves the share works. If the device can't connect, restart the Wi-Fi adapter and toggle mobile hotspot off and on, then run the built-in network troubleshooter to diagnose issues. Make sure VPNs or other virtual adapters aren't blocking sharing. Disable them temporarily. If problems persist, update the Wi-Fi driver via Device Manager, because outdated drivers often cause connectivity failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.